Here's some mathematical probability trivia. Subscribe. What is the probability of rolling a 7 with 2 dice? Is it A, 1/4, B, 1/6, C, 1/12, or D, 1/8? The correct answer is B, 1/6. Which law states that the probability of an event approaches its expected value as the trial count increases? Is it A, central limit theorem, B, Bayes' theorem, C, law of large numbers, or D, probability axiom? The correct answer is C, law of large numbers. Which term describes an event that cannot occur at the same time as another event? Is it A, mutually exclusive, B, concurrent events, C, independent events, or D, conditional outcomes? The correct answer is A, mutually exclusive. What is the probability of drawing an ace from a standard deck of cards? Is it A, 126, B, 112, C, 113, or D, 152? The correct answer is C, 113. In statistics, what is the mean of a sample referred to as? Is it A, mode, B, population mean, C, sample mean, or D, median? The correct answer is C, sample mean. What does a p-value indicate in hypothesis testing? Is it A, statistical significance, B, probability of outcome, C, test sample size, or D, hypothesis validity? The correct answer is A, statistical significance. What is the complement of an event defined as? Is it A, 1 minus probability of the event, B, probability of event, C, 0.5 probability, or D, 1.0 probability? The correct answer is A, 1 probability of the event. In Bayesian statistics, what term refers to prior beliefs? Is it A, prior probability, B, likelihood, C, sample space, or D, posterior odds? The correct answer is A, prior probability. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.